Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the video today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can share your contact details using a QR barcode just like this. So whether you're at a meeting, a workshop, or a work function, sharing your contact details using a QR barcode just makes it a little bit easier for you to build your network. So let's hop over to my phone and I'll guide you through the tutorial. So here I'm using my Samsung S23 Ultra device. Firstly, you need to add yourself as a contact on your mobile. To add a contact, select the phone icon and then the plus icon. So here, just type in your name. Next, add in your mobile number. You can also add other contact details or an email address. So let's add in our email address here. So let's just click on View More. So here you can add other information such as the job title, company name, and address details. So let's enter our details here. And then when you're ready, just click Save. And as you can see, the contact details have now been added onto my phone contact. Now to locate your QR barcode, just click on More and select QR code. So here you have your own personal QR barcode that links directly to your contact details on your device. And all you need to do is just show them this and they can scan it and then save your details directly onto their mobile device. As you can see, this is a great and simple way for you to connect with others without having to hand out your business card. There's no need to worry about miscommunication or typos or having to yell across the room with your mobile number, and it's a really great icebreaker too. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.